Hello everyone, today using Photopea I'm going to show you the Magic Wand tool. This is a great little tool for quickly removing backgrounds to blend images together and to make them as part of one image. So first off we need to open up Photopea, so photopea.com will open this screen. So I've already just put an image of a background, of a city as a background. As you can see on my layers I got the background there. So what I'm going to do now is to add another layer to then make two images as part of one. So using my image folder, all I'm going to do is drag this image onto the screen, drag and drop, and as you notice it's added the image, but as you can see in the layers it's added the layer for me. What you'll notice with this image of the car is a white background to it, so it's not the best. I won't do as a final image. So what we're going to do is take the white away using the magic wand. The first step, however, is to make sure we flatten the image and rasterize the image. So right click on the car layer and click on rasterize. So this just flattens the image so we can edit and take away the white from the background. So the Magic Wand tool located on the left hand side, the fourth tool down. So if I click on the fourth tool down, there's the Magic Wand on the side there. You might find when you open it up first time, it will look like that. So you've got to click on that and go down to Magic Wand. So all I'm going to do now, make sure I'm on the car layer. And then just very carefully, just click on the white area. And what you'll see is a bit of a trace that goes around the car. And using the keyboard, click on delete. Right, so that's taken the majority of the white, but you'll notice some parts of it are still white. So what we could do now is click on those areas and very carefully just delete. So just click on these white areas, very carefully just delete them. What you find sometimes, it might take a part of the car away. If that happens, then just edit, undo, and you might have to use the eraser to finish the last bits of the job. So once you're happy using the magic wand, using the mouse, right click and deselect. Finally then just use the move tool to move the image where you want to finish off, and then use the eraser if you want to do any finishing bits off, like down here for example. I'm not happy with this, so I'm just going to finish that off a bit better. Right, the more time you got, the better, really. And there's your image with two images together as one. Okay, you can use this tool for many different images, to add more trees or anything like that, but this is a good little image to put a car in the cityscape in the background. Okay, thank you.